everyone, this is another Brady Bakes video and we are going to be making a lemon olive oil tart.
What? We're having a stir fry?
Get out of the kitchen!
No fair!
You will need plain flour, olive oil, caster sugar, 3 lemons, 6 eggs and some sea salt.
No.
First, whisk together 1.5 cups of flour, 5 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then whisk it all together. And then add 1/2 cup of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of water. And use a rubber spatula to bring it together. Next, when your pastry might look like this, you'll then need to get some and mould it around and on up. It will look like this. Then you will need to place your pie tin onto a baking tray and put it in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. For 30 to 35 minutes. Next, when it is ready, you will need to take it out of the oven and then place it on a cooling rack. And remember to shut the oven. While that's cooling, we'll need to make the filling. First, you'll need a tablespoon of freshly grated lemon zest and the juice of 3 lemons. I'm going to teach you a trick. To get the most juice out of a lemon, first you'll need to roll it on a flat surface, hard and flat surface. Then you'll need to get a sharp and big knife and cut it open to get the most juice out. To get juice out of the lemon, you'll need to put a fork in the middle and twist a fork in it really hard to get most of the juice out. Right, that's all the juice.
I know juice.
Okay, let's try some. Crack 3 eggs into a jug. Then add 3 more egg yolks into the big pile. Get your whisk out again because in a saucepan add 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Then you will need to add the eggs and whisk until you can't see any flour, sugar or salt. Then you'll need to add the lemon juice and zest with the egg yolk until it is combined. Whisk on a low heat until it reaches 160 degrees, or about 5 to 8 minutes. Then you'll need to take off the heat and slowly pour in 1/4 cup of olive oil. Pour the mixture into a sieve. Last but not least, you'll need to pour the mixture into the tart cake. Then you will need to smooth the top of the tart, and then you'll need to put it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Again. You must make sure that the base is barely jiggling, unlike them. Here is the most hardest part. You have to leave it to cool for 2 hours.
Aww, no fair.
To make sure that your lemon olive oil tart is perfect, you'll have to push a little bit onto it. If it is not too hard and not too soft, then it is perfect. Then what you'll need to do is you'll need to get your tray and then lift the tart on top and place it onto a bowl. Cut it into wedges, maybe add some whipped cream, then it will be done. And ready to serve.
Fine.
Let's try it. $85 million out of 10.